Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue west on US-192 and Hidden State Road 530, beginning at mile 8.1 as we cross I-4 and leave Celebration for unincorporated Osceola County. For the first couple of miles, this doesn't look like the busy tourist strip people think of when they hear US-192. It feels more like a rural freeway with a broad grass median, open shoulders, and trees screening most of what is nearby. Off to the right, hidden from this road, is ESPN Wide World of Sports Complex, a large Disney sports venue with stadiums, field houses, an indoor arena, and tournament fields for dozens of sports. Ahead, the World Drive exit points to Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios. This partial cloverleaf feeds into Disney's controlled access road network, where the guide signs shift into that unmistakable purple and red Disney roadway style. As we pass Reedy Creek Boulevard, the tourist corridor comes back almost immediately. We start seeing the mix that has defined this part of US 192 for decades. Hotels, resorts, restaurants, gift shops, and retail built around visitors heading to the parks. What's surprising is how much of this area is still evolving. Newer hotels and entertainment centers are mixed in with older roadside businesses, so the corridor keeps changing instead of feeling finished. Around here, places like Margaritaville Resort Orlando, Promenade at Sunset Walk, and Island H2O Water Park show how US 192 has shifted from a simple motel strip into a larger resort, dining, shopping, and attraction corridor. Here, US 192 becomes the dividing line between Osceola County on the left and Orange County on the right. That county line is easy to miss from the road because the commercial strip continues on both sides without much visual break. The road still has multiple through lanes, a planted median, and a steady run of tourist-oriented businesses, but we're now skirting the southwest corner of Orange County while staying right along the edge of Osceola County. US 192 crosses under State Toll Road 429 here, connected by a diamond interchange. This is the Daniel Webster Western Beltway, the western side of the Orlando area expressway system. Northbound 429 heads toward Winter Garden, Apopka, and the Wekiva Parkway. Southbound 429 quickly reaches I-4. Together, SR 429 and SR 417 function as the Beltway system around much of Metro Orlando. Although at the south end, I-4 still fills the short gap between the two toll roads. The highway is named for Daniel Webster, a long-serving Florida legislator who supported major Central Florida transportation projects. Now, US 192 becomes the dividing line between Polk County on the left and Lake County on the right. Just behind us, Lake, Orange, Osceola, and Polk counties all came together, and that four-county meeting point gives Four Corners its name. Four Corners is not an incorporated city. It's a census-designated place spread across multiple county lines with a population of 56,381 as of the 2020 census. The area's 2020 to 2024 median household income was $72,879, and the median value of owner-occupied homes was $351,800. It's a fast-growing place, but it can also be confusing because local services, school districts, and addresses can change depending on which side of an invisible county line you're on. Here we reach the end of US 192 with the road splitting for the Trumpet interchange with US Highway 27. Nationally, US 27 runs from Miami to Fort Wayne, Indiana, and this interchange is the western endpoint of US 192. We conclude today's video at mile 0. This also wraps up our short US 192 series from the Atlantic Ocean at Indialantic all the way across Central Florida to this junction at Four Corners. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.